So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a funnel chart here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, make sure to go to the bottom right here and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then under project type, I want you to go right in the middle and press on charts and graphs. Now once you're here, I want you to go ahead to this third option right here. So not gauge charts or gauge charts, I'm not too sure how you pronounce it. Not area charts, but instead of area charts, there is a funnel chart, which is what we're looking for in this video. Simply just press on funnel chart. Now what you can do actually is scroll down. You can either select a blank template if you want, or what you can do as well is scroll down to already created templates if you sort of want to base your own funnel chart off one of these. So if you wanted to go here to the bottom right here where it says Bloomfield High School, we'll go ahead and press on this one, or Bloomfield Hall School. I'm not sure if I read that correctly, but regardless, we're going to find out shortly. It's now going to load this template into your design here on the application. So as you can tell, Bloomfield Hall School with a funnel chart right beside it. So what you can do is either edit this data yourself, add your own pictures, add your own colors, whatever the case may be. Get creative, create your own funnel chart, of course, but once that is done, you can now save the design, and it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a funnel chart graphic here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.